Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about Gs1 and SUBSCRIPTIon barcodes and how you can use them to succeed as a new seller on Amazon. Gs1 barcodes play an essential role in the efficient management of your business and the satisfaction of your customers. Before I reveal the secrets of Gs1 barcodes, I'd like to introduce you to the Helium 10 tools that will help you manage and grow your business on Amazon. With a database of over 450 million products, you can find your first winning product today. Go to the Helium 10 website and get 20% off your first 6 months. You will find a link to the Helium 10 voucher codes in the description of this video. We'll see you right after this.
Understanding Amazon barcodes can be confusing for beginners, but don't worry, we're here to help. In this first section, we will explain the differences between Gs1 and SUBSCRIPTIon codes and how to use them correctly when selling on Amazon. Gs1 is an international barcode system that assigns unique identifiers to products. It is used to identify and track items around the world. In Europe, a 13-digit EAN code is used, while in the US, a 12-digit UPC code is typically used. These codes are essential for selling your products on Amazon, as they allow for unique identification and proper tracking. When selling on Amazon, you must enter your Gs1 code, i.e. your EAN or UPC in Seller Central to create a new product listing. Amazon will use this code to generate an ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number, which is another unique identifier used to track products in the Amazon catalog. Once you have created your product listing, Amazon will provide you with an SUBSCRIPTIon for your product. The SUBSCRIPTIon code is specific to Amazon. It is a unique identifier assigned by Amazon to track and manage the inventory of each product in its distribution centers. The SUBSCRIPTIon allows a product to be associated with its seller, which is essential for inventory management and to avoid confusion between products from different sellers. It is important to note that the SUBSCRIPTIon must be affixed to the packaging of every product you send to Amazon. You can ask your manufacturer to print the SUBSCRIPTIon directly on the packaging or use self-adhesive labels. In summary, the Gs1 code, in other words the EAN in Europe or the UPC in the United States, is an international identifier used to identify and track products worldwide, while the SUBSCRIPTIon is an Amazon-specific identifier used to manage inventory in its distribution centers. As a new seller on Amazon, you will need to familiarize yourself with these codes and their use to ensure efficient management of your products and compliance with Amazon's requirements.
To sell successfully on Amazon, first-time sellers need to understand and comply with the platform's barcode requirements. Amazon requires the use of valid Gs1 barcodes, such as AN codes for Europe and UPC codes for the US. Complying with these requirements ensures that your product is properly referenced and easily tracked on Amazon. To obtain a Gs1 barcode, go to the official Gs1 website, gs1.org, and follow the registration process. After paying the membership and barcode allocation fees, you will receive a unique Gs1 company prefix that will allow you to generate valid barcodes for your products. It is important to go through Gs1 to get your barcodes, as barcodes purchased from unofficial sources may not be valid and may cause problems with Amazon. If you are a first-time seller, avoid using generic or shared barcodes, as this can cause problems with traceability and inventory management. If you buy cheap barcodes from an unauthorized seller, you may end up with barcodes already used by other sellers for different products. This can lead to inventory management errors, problems with orders and conflicts with other suppliers. The risks of using a cheap, unofficially purchased Gs1 code are many. Amazon may remove your product from its platform or even suspend your seller account. You also risk losing customer confidence and damaging your reputation as a seller. Therefore, it is critical to obtain valid Gs1 barcodes from the official source. By following these steps and adopting the right practices to optimize the visibility and sales of your products, you'll be well on your way to success on Amazon. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video about selling on Amazon. If you're here, you're determined to succeed on Amazon, and we're here to help. Subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and exclusive tips for growing your business on Amazon. With the right tools and strategy, the possibilities of making money on Amazon are endless. Check out the links to the best software such as Helium 10, JungleScout and AMZScout with their promo code in the video description. We want to hear from you. Leave us a comment to submit a topic which could be the subject of a future video on selling on Amazon. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like to encourage us. And finally, we have a new video that will interest you. Click on this video to discover even more tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. See you soon on our channel.